everyone, and welcome to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today we're going to be making citrus, caper, and spinach salmon for the detox recipes. So let's get started. You need a tablespoon of organic virgin olive oil in the bottom of your pan. Just kind of move it around so that the pan is coated. You're going to need 4 wild cut salmon fillets, okay? So you're going to put your salmon fillets in the bottom, skin up. I rinsed and dried mine. Okay. Now what we're going to do is have our oven preheated to 375, and now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice on here, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh rosemary. You're going to take 2 lemons and slice it, 2 cloves of garlic chopped finely, and 2 tablespoons of capers rinsed and drained, okay? So I am going to start with my 2 tablespoons of, actually, I'll do my my rosemary first. Okay, so we're just going to sprinkle everything over these, everything that's on here, my tray.
This recipe seems a little odd to me, but
Why?
That's just me. Because usually when you cook salmon, you cook it skin side down.
Well, it doesn't say.
Oh.
No, it doesn't say.
Hmm.
So should I turn it?
I would.
But now I have all that stuff on the top.
That's okay. That'll get into the oils and that down there.
All right.
You can put small
All right. Well, we'll try it this way then, guys. I don't eat salmon. I'm making this for my son to taste and give us his opinion. I do not like salmon, but I figured a lot of you do like salmon, and you'll need to you'll like the taste of it. All right. So now I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice over that.
Sorry, I screwed up all your seasonings.
That's okay. All right. Just a little bit, because mine was a little less. I'm going to sprinkle this finely chopped garlic all over it. I have to say, I don't like salmon, but this looks pretty good. Let me wash my hands.
Smells pretty good.
And then we're going to put our capers over it. Now, everything I'm using here is organic. You're going to need organic baby spinach. Halfway into cooking, we're going to use spinach, so make sure you have that. I'm just going to pour the capers over this. Some of these capers have like stems on them. Yeah. Okay. Alright, and I'm going to put a little bit of salt on that. Okay, and then all we're going to do is lay our lemons on the top of these fish. And these are organic lemons also. Alright, now we're going to put this in the oven for 8 minutes.
I can move and get a good look at them.
Looks like a fancy restaurant to me.
Yeah, fancy schmancy.
When I've seen other people get salmon. Alright, I'm just going to stick this in the oven. Alright, so after 7 minutes of that cooking in the oven, you're going to add 2 handfuls of baby spinach, organic, on the top of your fish. And you're going to cook this for another 7 minutes. And you're looking to have the spinach wilted and the make sure that the fish is cooked through. So we'll put this in for another 7 minutes. Alright, so here's our finished fish. It looks delicious. I did let it go an extra 3 minutes because the spinach didn't get as wilted as I wanted. So what I did was I took some of the spinach off of the salmon and kind of did it in the bottom of the pan, and that seemed to work real quick. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you do you.
Thank you.